G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management. We are coming to you from Mitchelton and Brisbane, and we are installing a Homeguard, so it's a physical treated zone to the perimeter of this new build. So the reason why they're putting that Homeguard there is because there's going to be a pole plate and a floor, and you can imagine that the distance between the soil and the flooring is quite low, so you need that termite protection. But the main reason for this video is you can see it's wet. Now, obviously you would think doing pest control in the wet is not ideal, which is true. However, when it comes to Homeguard, would you believe you can actually install this product whilst it's even raining or in the wet? Why? Because it's a physical product and it doesn't leach. And then you pin it down. It is the best product that comes available. Doesn't de-laminate either. Anyway, use the best. Trusted Pest.